वेलकम बैक ट्रेडर्स, कैसे हैं? उम्मीद है खैरियत से होंगे। मार्केट मुसलसल बगैर टेस्ट किए बाइंग जा रहा है। अब इसके पीछे क्या लॉजिक है? कोई फंडामेंटल हो सकता है, अदरवाइज ये टेक्निकल हो ही नहीं सकता। मार्केट टेक्निकल कभी भी ऐसा मूव नहीं दिखाता होता। तो ये जो आप देख रहे हो यहाँ से, अब आप इसके ट्रेंड लाइन अगर ड्रा करो तो ये आपको इस तरह मिलता है। अब हमें देखना ये है कि मार्केट का जो बिहेवियर है, एक बन रहा है, राइजिंग वेज बन रहा है मार्केट के अंदर, M15 के अंदर। और राइजिंग वेज जो होता है मोस्टली सेल में होता है, आपको पता होगा एज ए ट्रेडर। राइजिंग वेज ऑलवेज सेल में होता है, बट मार्केट एक मुसलसल वर्क कर रही है बाइंग के अंदर। तो मजीद इस पे ध्यान देते हैं, थोड़ा सा इसको चेक करते हैं। बड़े टाइम फ्रेम में H4 पे जाके देखें, H4 के अंदर क्या पोजीशन है मार्केट के अंदर। ये प्राइस एक्शन की कुछ इंडिकेटर्स यूज कर लेते हैं, जहां से हमें कुछ वही चीज आपको राइजिंग वेज मिलता है। इसमें भी राइजिंग वेज बन रहा है, हाँ, टेक्निकली। और बाकी सारे टाइम फ्रेम में सॉफ्टवेयर है वही होगा। M30 में भी चेक कर लें बेशक। ये देखिए, M30 में भी राइजिंग वेज है, तो राइजिंग वेज को जाना चाहिए सेल में। H1 को ओपन करें, आपका H1 भी राइजिंग वेज में ही है। तो अब हमें करना चाहिए वेट। अब मजीद, क्योंकि इतनी ज़्यादा बाइंग हो गई है, जो कि हद से ज़्यादा बाइंग हो गई है, जो कि एक्सपेक्टेड भी नहीं थी, शदीद किस्म की। डे 1 आपका बुलिश, प्रीवियस डे भी बुलिश। मार्केट अचानक, मार्केट को क्या हो गया कि टेस्ट ही नहीं कर रही। अब जिनके ट्रेड्स लगे हुए थे, ट्रेड फंसे हुए होंगे। टेक्निकली मार्केट को ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, कुछ फंडामेंटल इम्पैक्ट हो सकता है। ईरान की डील हुई है, सुनने में आ रहा है, आज मुझे न्यूज़ मिली कि ईरान की अमेरिका से डील हो रही है, जिस वजह से मार्केट के मूव्स अप्स हो रहे हैं। तो मुमकिन है कि ये पॉसिबल हो, इसलिए आप प्रॉपर सेटअप का वेट करें। एक बात याद रखें, 4476 से सेलिंग एरिया किधर है, डे कैंडल चेक करो। कुछ कह नहीं सकते यार, इतना होल्ड नहीं करना चाहिए था ट्रेड को, इतना ज्यादा होल्ड नहीं करना चाहिए था टेक्निकली। 45, और इतनी ज्यादा ट्रेड को होल्ड नहीं करना चाहिए। बहरहाल राइजिंग वेज, राइजिंग वेज एक क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, हॉटस्पॉट करने के लिए स्क्रीनशॉट बनाई जा रहा हूँ। कल जो है ना, ईरान और अमेरिका की डील हुई, इस वजह से मार्केट ने हाथ ही नहीं पकड़ने दिया, ना ही ऐसा लगाना दे रही है। सेंटी पाउंड में ट्रेड करना चाहिए। क्या आप लोग रिकमेंड करते हो कि सेंटी पाउंड में ट्रेड करना मुनासिब है? वेलकम बैक। राइजिंग वेज मार्केट के अंदर बांध चुका है। गोल्ड जब तक स्ट्रांग सपोर्ट नहीं करे तो हम कहाँ से मतलब एंट्री करेंगे? सपोर्ट करके मार्केट बाय करना चाहिए ना। अब 30 पे खड़ा है, सपोज मैं यहाँ पे बाय कर रहा हूँ तो मार्केट सेल निकल जाए, और ये ध्यान से ट्रेड करना यार, क्योंकि ऐसा ट्रेड नहीं करना। फ्लक 4478 से सेलिंग आएगी। अच्छा, 4478 से हो सकता है ये। पहले भी एक दो बंदा मुझसे कह रहा था कि 4478 पे या इस तरह का जो एरिया है ये सेलिंग है, लेकिन ये मार्केट का जिस तरह पोजीशन बन रहा है ना, अब यहाँ पे ट्रेड करवाना किसी का बस जानबूझ के लॉस कराने वाली बात है, क्योंकि मार्केट थोड़ा सा फंडामेंटल है। Trading down, no buy, no sell at this time because the market is volatile right now. You know that there has been deal between America and Iran. ईरान और अमेरिका की जो ना डील हुई है, due to deal between America and Iran, the market is going bullish. So we will have to wait if the market again retest any support area, then we will try to buy in the market. Okay. So keep avoid yourself right now. अवॉइड करें। मैं आपको रिकमेंड नहीं करूंगा कि आप ट्रेड करें, क्योंकि आई एम सो सॉरी किसी का लॉस हो गया हो तो। मैंने मेरी कोशिश होती है कि किसी का लॉस ना हो। एसएल के बगैर ट्रेड ना किया करें। एसएल इज द इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ होता है, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है एसएल। और एसएल 50 to 60 पिप्स बस, इससे ज़्यादा एसएल करना ही नहीं चाहिए, होल्ड ही नहीं करना। ज़बरदस्ती मार्केट से प्रॉफिट गेन ही नहीं करना चाहती है जाए। मार्केट जा रही है जाने दिया करो, बाय जा रही है जाने दो, सेल जा रही है जाने दो। हमें जबरदस्ती प्रॉफिट नहीं चाहिए। मार्केट को फोर्स ना किया करो कि वो प्रॉफिट दे बस। मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि नेक्स्ट टाइम किसी को बगैर एसएल ट्रेड रिकमेंड नहीं करूंगा, और मैं करता भी हूं कि कोशिश करता हूं कि किसी का लॉस ना हो। अभी आप जानते हो कि मार्केट का जो एक बिहेवियर है वो सबके सामने है। चेक करें ज़रा। ये मार्केट के मूव्स दिखा रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा। इसको कहते हैं प्राइस एक्शन। व्हाट इज द प्राइस एक्शन? दिस इज द प्राइस एक्शन by showing market with arrows just like trend lines to show the position of market through trend lines or by indicator. This is known as price action. Okay, इसको प्राइस एक्शन कहते हैं। मतलब आप किसी तरीके से मार्केट का ट्रेंड क्लियर करने की कोशिश करते हो कि मार्केट के मूव्स कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं। अभी तो देखना चाहिए बस, मुझे मेरा ख्याल है कोई ट्रेड नहीं करनी चाहिए जब तक ये सपोर्ट पे ना आए। H4 मैं इसको रिकमेंड करूंगा। H4 इम्पोर्टेंट है। H4 जो है ना इस वक्त इम्पोर्टेंट है। अब आपको जो ना इस एरिया तक वेट करना चाहिए, यानी कि ये वाला जो एरिया है, मार्केट अगर अगेन 50 पे आए, जो कि पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, देन हमें अच्छी बाय मिल सकती है। चलो यहाँ पे बड़े टाइम फ्रेम पे अगर ऐसा एरिया नहीं है तो क्या करना चाहिए? वेट करना चाहिए। देखते हैं कहाँ तक वेट करना चाहिए। फिर भी मैं वही कहूँगा कि मार्केट के छोटे से ऑर्डर ब्लॉक बना लो। ये एरिया हो गया, और ये तो स्ट्रांग बाइंग यहाँ से मिल सकती है। फिर वही बात आ जाती है, लेकिन इतना मार्केट फॉल कब करेगी? नजर ही नहीं आ रहा मार्केट के अंदर मूव्स इतने ज्यादा हो गए हैं, कहाँ से इसको अब कैप्चर करें? मुझे तो अब मार्केट में किसी को बाय कराना सेल कराने का इरादा नहीं है, तो अभी इसको चलने दो। देखो ये यहाँ लेवल पे सपोर्ट ले, देन बाय दिखाए हम फिर बाय कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज देखते रहें। जरूरत नहीं है आज करना ट्रेड करना, ठीक है। ये एरियाज मार्केट के पॉसिबल हैं, यानी कि एक तो आपका राइजिंग वेज बन रहा है जो कि सेलिंग होना चाहिए, बट क्योंकि मार्केट टेक्निकल नहीं है, मार्केट फंडामेंटल है। ऐसे मूव्स कभी भी टेक्निकल होते नहीं है कि मार्केट रिटेस्ट ना करे। अब मार्केट, if market moves just like this, it means that the market is on the way of or following the rule of fundamental. You know that there has been deal between America and Iran yesterday. I listened. Okay, due to this reason, the market is going up and it is bullish. Due to this reason, there is no other reason to show its buy movement just like this. Okay, I have never seen such huge movements in the market in one direction or in a unidirection. I have never not seen. I haven't seen just like this movement. Okay, before this, because this is why this is due to fundamental, not technical. So keep avoid yourself from the market right now, because the market is going up and up without retesting their supports. You know that these the sports. This one is the sport area 4413, and this is also 43 of 4400. This may also retest area, a support area of the market. If the market can retest this area, then it means that the market will be strong bullish again. So this one also sport area. So keep wait right now, because there is no chance to sell the market, and the market is showing very large candles. It has large wicks, so there is no chance to put your SL. It will engulf your SL. So avoid from the trade right now. Okay, मैं आपको रिकमेंड नहीं करूंगा कि कोई बंदा ट्रेड करे। अगर सपोज मैं यहाँ पे बाई करवाता हूँ तो एसएल बनेगा। Suppose we will put our entry in buy. Suppose right now, okay. Right now, if we put entry in the buy position, then we will put our SL here. It means that because this is a sport area. Suppose this is not very strong support. If the market breaks this support and it may goes down to this support, so we have to put our SL there. Okay, just like 43.95. This may be considered as SL if we put our entry in the buy position, but it will be risky due to fundamental movements in the market. Okay, so keep it, don't waste your money. If you want to enter in the market, just wait for the confirmation. Market can go down because there is a strong buying in the market position, strong bullish pattern in the market from yesterday. You know that this may be due to some fundamental reasons. You know that there were clashes in the Middle East, in the America with Iran. These clashes and the peace process also affect the position of market. If the market goes down, it means that there's a clash and the Hormuz maybe sometimes you can hear the Hormuz is closed. It means that the market is going down, and if there is some clashes in the Middle East. It means that the market also goes down. And if there is a talk about peace, it means that the market can go upward direction, or it may be bullish. Okay, so this is the main factor in the market. This may also affect the position of the market. So try to keep yourself uh, in a safe zone. Keep your assets safe. So don't put entry here because the market has shown strong bullish position from the yesterday right now. You can see, okay. So there is a greater chance market may retest its previous areas, previous levels. It may be chance for the market. It can go down to retest these areas because the buyers were stronger, and they have earned a lot. So market can take good action. Okay, so this may happen in the market. It can go down. So wait for the confirmation. Don't enter here because it will be risky for you if you have a small capital, and you know that the market movements just like this. It means that market doesn't respect any levels. You can check here the momentum market. This was the strong selling, sorry, buying area. This was buying area 40 to 32. After that, the market was strong buying without respecting its levels. So these moves are not considered as huge moves, just like this buying moves. Okay, so this is nothing selling area. So keep it. Okay, if the this area shows some candles above this, it means that the market again will go upward. Okay, if it close as one candle before this area, it means that the market is ready to go down. Otherwise, wait for the proper setup in this area. uh, this is not suitable area, so I recommend don't enter any position in the market. As a trader, I don't recommend. Okay, if you need some information and if you have any query, then message me on this WhatsApp number. So this is my WhatsApp number. Message me. You can tell about your equity, and you can tell about your setups, whatever you do in the trade settings. You can ask me about lot size, that uh, which lot size is suitable according to your equity. So you can message me at this WhatsApp number. Okay. So guys, let's see here. Once again, I am repeating that one thing, that is avoid to take any entry in this area because the market has gone towards the world with a strong bullish, by making a strong bullish pattern. So this is not safe area. This is not safe area, not strong area. You can lose your capital if you put any trade in the buying because there has been strong buying already in the market. So it may be possible market may go down for correction. It may can remove the buyers from the market. So this may happen. So keep wait. So I recommend you don't enter here. Okay. So keep wait. Wait for the next setup, proper setup. If I found any setup here in the market, I will discuss with you. Okay, so let's see the position of market in H4. Is there any chance to sell right now? Okay, so try to find the position of market. If there is a chance, then we will enter there. So don't worry. This is the market. It can lose your money. Sometimes you can lose all you gain from this. So Try to put right entry in the market. Sometime you forget about the position of market, and you will work in the smaller time frame. But I recommend you put all your entry in light time frame, just like H4, H1, and so this may be the stronger time area, and this may be considered as strong time frame. So this is a proper time frame. But if you have a large equity, smart equity, means that you have to use H4 time frame, and where to buy, where to sell. So where to buy, where to sell. So let's come back. I'm so sorry. There was service issue, I think. So this was happened due to service issue. Okay. So I was suggesting you try to buy if you find any hammer in the market in H4. Okay. So let's see in the market, is it right or not? So try to find the hammer. You can find hammer here. Okay. This may also hammer. You can find this one may also be hammer. Okay. So this one is hammer. You can also buy from this area. If you find any hammer in the market, and it may also respecting the order block or your level, it means that it may be strong, bullish. Okay, so this was also bullish pattern due to this hammer. Try to find hammer in that forex. So this may be hammer. So this strategy is suitable for every trader. If you have a smart equity, you can do just like this. Okay, once again, try to find another hammer in the previous area. Is it right or not? Okay, we are proving the market that hammer work or it may not work. So try to find in the proper way. So let's see here. Don't if don't try to look the other blocks level. If you find any hammer and if you are in H4, then try to buy position. Okay. I think according to traders, according to analysts, they were agreed that if it fails, then it may be out of 10, it may be fail just for one time or just for two times out of 10. Okay, if the hammer fails in buying, it may be 1 out of 10 or 2 out of 10. It may be just like this. Okay, so try to find hammer in the market. If there is hammer, okay, then you have to put your all entries in buying areas. Try to buy just like this, so you can see the position of market. Okay, this was a huge buying. Okay, if you put your SL below the week of this one, so you can earn a lot from this market. Okay, so a hammer always work in the market. You can also find hammer in the BTC. You can find hammer in the BTC chart H4. Okay, mostly trader work on this strategy by finding the hammer. Okay, if the market goes up, it doesn't matter. Don't don't try to capture every moves of the market. You have to find only hammer. If you find, then put your entry, otherwise wait. Okay, it is not necessary to mm, enter in every setup. Okay, okay, so this setup always considered as selling, but this was not selling area. This was opening. This was another day opening. Okay, if the market it's weak in the area, selling area, supplying area, it means that it has swept all its liquidity. It means that now it's ready to go down, just like this. Okay, but it is necessary for the market to make another strong bearish candle that may be engulfing of the previous. Okay, if it engulfs the previous candle, it means that it may be the strong bearish pattern. Sometime I put my entries. I'm here to tell you my strategy setups in the market, in the gold. Mostly traders ask me about, sir, tell me about your strategies, that how do you put your trade setups in the market. So I'm here to tell you the trading strategies. So let's see. Suppose this was a candle. Okay, suppose I mostly work in the M15, okay, because I have no huge money in the market. I have no smart money in the market, so work in the I work in the M15 just like this. I'm going to share my experience. Okay, suppose this was a selling area. Okay, how do I put my entry in the market? Okay, try to see here. Okay, this one is M15 candle and it has put a larger wick above it. Okay, another bearish candle. You can see here this one is bearish candle, but it doesn't um, engulf the previous buying candle. It wasn't able to engulf the previous buying candle. Okay, I will wait here. Okay, so what to do here? Okay, suppose this one a hammer. Okay, this was confusing. What could happen here? It can go up, it can go down. What should I do right now here in the market? Okay, so wait for another confirmation candle, because if you work in the M15, it means that you have to confirm the position of market. There is a problem, but there is a problem in M15. Okay, what is it? What is it problem? Okay, there's a problem. Suppose this was a bearish candle. Okay, and this may hammer. Okay, as I'm already suggesting that if you find any hammer, try to buy the market with a larger equity, or by putting many inches, or by putting um, uh, 3 to 5 buying inches with large large size. Okay, but I was talking about in H4. I was talking about in H4 that if you find any hammer, then try to put your inches in the buy position. But if you find a hammer in some other time frame, just like I'm 15, but this hammer is not respecting any level, and this hammer is out of the level. So wait here, okay? So keep wait. Don't enter here. Don't enter here in the market. Wait for another candle, just like this. This was and also another bearish candle. This may engulf the previous buying candle, but there's a problem. What is it? I'm talking about what is it? Okay, so this is the order block. You can see here. This one is order block. Market. If the market retest to this area, suppose. What I'm talking about. I'm talking about how to enter in the market and where to enter, where to buy or sell. Okay. I'm talking about you have to put your all entries in H4. Don't enter in M15 just like this. I'm suggesting you just try to see my setups right now. Okay. I was talking about there's a problem in M15 trading setup. If you trade in M15, then it is impossible for you to grow your account. If you have your account below than $1,000, you have at least $3,000, 3,000 to $4,000. I also recommend put your equity in the market just like 3,000 to 5,000. In this case, you can earn a lot and you can grow your account. So, what to do if you have a small account? It means that how to trade in the market. Okay, I suppose this was a wick of the candle, and we are looking the selling position. First of all, try to put order block in the previous areas. If this wick respect the previous order block, it means that it can go down. Otherwise, try to wait in this setup. What could happen here? Why do have it? Why we have to take wait or rest just like in the setup. Okay, suppose this was a bearish candle. After confirmation that now the market is selling, okay, but it can uh, go up from this area because this one is outer block, some other outer block, but market can go up from this area to that, just like 41.15, 20. This may be the area of the market. Okay, so this is the problem in the M15 trading setup. If you suppose you enter in the selling area in this area, suppose, and this week was out of order block. Suppose there was no order block in the previous area, and you haven't seen any order block in this area. Suppose there is no order block here. Okay, so what could happen here? If you put selling entry here, you can see this bearish candle was unable to engulf the previous one. If it engulfs the or if it eats, you can say in a simple word, if it eats the previous buyers, or if it engulfs the previous buyers, or this one candle, it means the market is bearish and you can sell another candle. And I also do trade just like this in M15, but this selling can be only on the outer block, supply zone, or this one setup will work in this area. Okay, suppose here you can see this may also strong weak. Don't try to sell here. If you see, suppose mostly traders sell the market on the tops on the wicks. Mostly traders sell their market, sell their gold on the tops on the wicks. But it is very risky. Suppose you can see this candle is has been closed and bullish, but it has larger wick. So as mostly trader expect that the next candle will be closed below this area and the market will go down, but the market was unable to go down. But market had nothing to do, just like this, and just like the trader was supposing the market will be bearish. Okay, so don't enter in the mid. So what to do, sir? If you recommend any, okay. So try to see our chat setup. This is going to pick my levels. So I don't recommend here to put any entry here. Avoid, keep avoid. Avoid yourself from the entries right now, because this is not my favorite area of the entries. Sir, I was suggesting that if you have equity, then try to work in H4. H4 is the best time frame to trade in the market. Okay, why I'm suggesting H4, sir? This is the confirmation of trade in the larger time frame. So you can see in H4, mostly time trade in Gulf or at this level or pick this level, whatever you say. Market has peaked this area for many times. So you can see this candle, this one, and these candle has retested this area for many times. It means that this is the strong support. Okay, so if you suppose you try to buy here, suppose try to buy here, you can see you can earn from this area to that area. And if you put your SL cost to cost, after that you can lose your SL. Okay, you can lose your SL, and once again you can buy, but this is not suitable buying. Okay, then what to do if you don't find any hammer? Then what to do? Okay, suppose this is a demand area. You can take risk. You can take risk for many times. Okay, suppose you take 2 inches from this area and put your SL below this. Okay, suppose market goes up, then you can close here one trade and the leave another trade. So wait, suppose if the market pick your SL from this area, then once again try to buy again and again in the demand area. Suppose if one trade play in your favor in the H4 market, then you can earn a lot of money and you can grow your account to a great extent. Okay, so this is the strong buying setup in the market if you use H4, but you must have at least $2,000 to try this setup. At least you must have at least 2,000 plus dollar, then try to enter in the H4 strategy. So let's see here. I always suggest hammer. So this one is hammer. You can see, and the market was bullish due to this hammer. If you put any entry by finding hammer, you can put yourself below this week and you can take risk. Okay, it may fail out just for one or two times out of time. Okay, according to analysts or according to traders. So look in the market. Okay, sir, where to buy, where to sell? Suppose now we are going to learn about the sell entry and the buy entry, and we are confused mind that how to put our entries. Okay, you can see this was a buying candle. After that, by closing the strong bearish candle, you can put another sell entry from this area. Most traders put their entry from this area, just like 47.15 or 14. So this is the best confirmation because this bearish candle has engulfed the previous one. Okay, so this may be considered as the bullish one. Suppose you can uh, take another strategies. You can use another strategy setups, just like suppose this is the auto block. Suppose you find this one is auto block. Okay, suppose this is auto block, and you know about auto block strategies. This was a top. This one is also top. Okay, you can see. You will have to wait for the confirmation. Market, if the market retest this other block, this selling area, this selling auto block, then try to sell in the market. And let's see here what happened here. Okay, you can see the market moves were bearish, and once again it takes the buy movements, and if it retest again here, okay, you can see it has retest once again, and you can check the market selling. This is the selling area. This is the bearish pattern due to this other block selling selling supply or supply zone, whatever you call it. Okay, once again you can check the market. Suppose you put your entry here, and due to some reasons market has engulfed your SL. Now you can once again take entry here, but mostly traders um, feel fear because they have loss and they don't put here in entry, but they have to be dared one to take entry from this area because this one is the best area for selling. Okay, after that you can sell from this. Okay, the stronger selling from this area, but it ups to the market position, market trend. Okay, you can sell market from this area too. You can see how much was the bearish position in the market due to this selling area. Okay, in this setup you can take entries, but it is necessary for the trader. You must have at least 2000 plus USD. In this way you can earn a lot. If you have sir, note me, if you have some more equity and you have no big money, it means that you can lose all you get from this. Okay, so this was all about the selling and buying setup in the market. Now look at the position of market, what's going on right now. This was a rising wedge pattern, you can see. Okay, this one is rising wedge, as Indian use the word z as J, rising rising wedge. राइजिंग वेज। ओके, राइजिंग वेज क्या होता है सर? ये सेलिंग देता है। सेलिंग देता ना, अभी वेट करो, इसका सेलिंग देता है तो दे, नहीं तो हम इसमें एंट्री ना करें तो बेस्ट है। और एक डायरेक्शन में मार्केट कभी मूव नहीं करती। एक डायरेक्शन में मार्केट कभी भी मूव नहीं करती होती। अगर मार्केट को चेक करो, एक डायरेक्शन में बार बार जा रहा है, इसका मतलब है तो मार्केट में कुछ फंडामेंटल है, ना कि अच्छा ये डायनोसॉर सांप सा बन गया, लिजर्ड बन गया, लिजर्ड। कप एंड हैंडल भी लग रहा थोड़ा सा किसी एंगल से, बट ये H4 में ट्रेड को हमें देखना चाहिए। मैं तो यही कहता हूँ कि है आप हैमर ढूंढे, हैमर जहां मिले ट्रेड बाय करें। अच्छा, मैंने कहा कि हैमर ढूंढे सर, हैमर काम करता है? यहाँ भी हैमर बना है, इसने भी काम किया, यहाँ भी हैमर बना है, इसने बाइंग करी है। अच्छा, यहाँ भी एक हैमर टाइप ही है, फिर भी यहाँ से बाइंग, लेकिन यहाँ पे एसएल का फिर मसला था, ये भी अच्छा हैमर नहीं लग रहा फिर से भी। ये ठीक हैमर है, ये भी चेक कर सकते हो, ये भी हैमर था। हैमर जहां भी होगा आपको बाइंग देगा। ये देखिए, ये भी हैमर था जहां से मार्केट ने बाय मूव्स दिखाए, और अगर आप इसके एसएल जहां पे रखे देन फिर भी मार्केट इस एसएल पे नहीं आए, ऐसा ना। ये देख कर सकते हो, ये भी हैमर है, यहाँ हैमर को देखने के बाद मार्केट में बाय कर सकते थे। ये देखो कितना बाय मिला। ये स्ट्रेटजी काम करती है बीटीसी में, ये बहुत ज्यादा काम करती है बीटीसी में। हैमर मिल जाए, एक बंदा है जो काम ही हैमर पे करता है, वो कहता है बीटीसी में मैं जस्ट हैमर का वेट करता हूँ और बस कैसीनो ट्रेड करता हूँ। अब क्या करना चाहिए सर? मार्केट तो एक जगह पे स्टक होके रह गई है, ना सेलिंग मिल रही है अच्छी सी। सेलिंग करें 0.01 की। मत करिएगा, रिस्की सेटअप है, मैं रिकमेंड नहीं करूंगा। आज मैं कोई ट्रेड नहीं रिकमेंड करने वाला सर, फिर फायदा। फायदा नहीं है ना यहाँ पे ट्रेड करने का। आपको मैं रिकमेंड कर रहा हूँ कि आप वेट करो। आज कोई ट्रेड का सेटअप अच्छा नहीं है। रसल हो गया तो फिर आप कहोगे कि सर रसल हो गया, जहाँ से सेलिंग मिलती है कितनी मिलती है ये कंफर्म नहीं हो रहा। मार्केट बुलिश है। मार्केट इतना बुलिश हुआ, हद से ज्यादा शदीद किस्म के बुलिश पैटर्न बने मार्केट के अंदर। अब मार्केट यहाँ से सेल दिखा सकता है, मार्केट ने अगर यहाँ से सेलिंग की तो यहाँ इस एरिया तक फॉल कर सकता है 60 था, लेकिन ये करेक्शन हो सकती है। देखिए मार्केट ने बुलिश तो बहुत तक किया है, यानी कि अब 35 तक गया, 34। کرو مارکیٹ تھوڑا سا موو سیل کرا رہا ہے، بٹ یہ کوئی اچھے مووز نہیں ہے. میں اس لیے کہہ رہا ہوں کہ مارکیٹ سپورٹ بنا کے اگین بائی نہیں کر سکتے، اس لیے میں آپ کو رسک پہ نہیں ڈال سکتا. چیک کر سکتے ہو مارکیٹ پھر سے سپورٹ کو رسپیکٹ دینے کے بعد اگین باہر جا رہا ہے. میں اس لیے کہہ رہا تھا کہ ابھی آپ لوگ نا انٹری نہ کرو یہاں پہ، یا تو اس ایریے سے آپ نکلنے دو، یہ جو میں نے ٹرینڈ لائن ڈرا کر رکھی ہیں، یا تو اس کو یہ آؤٹ کرے، اس سے ایگزٹ کرے مارکیٹ، دین ہم اس پہ ٹریڈ اچھا سا پلان کرو گے. آپ دیکھ سکتے ہو مارکیٹ کے اندر جو ہے نا اتنی زیادہ موومنٹس بائنگ کے اندر ہوئی ہے، تو میں آپ دیکھ رہا ہوں کہ مارکیٹ کے یا تو کوئی اچھے مووز ملے ہیں سیلنگ میں یا بائنگ میں، دن جا کے ہم انٹری کرے گا، ادروائز ویٹ کریں. یہ دیکھیں اتنی زیادہ جو موومنٹ ہوئی ہے. اب یہ رائزنگ ویج ہے پیٹرن، H4 میں دیکھتے ہیں اس کی پوزیشن کیا ہے. بیسیکلی یہ میں نے سپورٹ ایریاز بنانے کی کوشش کی ہے، کسی طریقے سے مارکیٹ سپورٹ ایریا کو رسپیکٹ کرے. اگر مارکیٹ سپورٹ ایریا کو رسپیکٹ کرتی ہے دن کوئی دیکھتے ہیں اس کے اندر کوئی کیا کرنا چاہیے. سپورٹ ایریا کو رسپیکٹ کرتی ہے تو ہم اس پہ بائنگ بھی کر سکتے ہیں، سیلنگ بھی کر سکتے ہیں، لیکن مارکیٹ ابھی کنفرم نہیں کر رہی کہ یہ کتنا بائی ہونا ہے. اس میں سپورٹ کو رسپیکٹ کرنے کے بعد بائی نکل جائے اور ہم سپورٹ پہ اگینسٹ سیلنگ کریں، بائی کریں، مطلب ابھی تھوڑا سا دقت ہو رہا ہے ٹریڈ کے اندر، اس لیے تھوڑا سا ویٹ کرتے ہیں. باقی یہ ہے کہ ٹریڈرز اکاؤنٹ اچھا ہو، لاٹس کم ہوں، اور یہ چیزیں